Let's talk about the best Samsung phone of all time. This is AB Tech. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video. So on this video, I'm going to talk about the best Samsung phone of all time. And I'm going to count from 5 to number 1. So on number 5 is the Samsung Galaxy S10. You remember those S10 Plus? So this phone are near perfect phone at that time. It was in 2019. So you know that punch hole camera and the triple lens setup, the wireless power sharing and the in-display fingerprint sensor. So it was the phone that changed a lot of things about Samsung device. And it has an excellent performance, have a very good display. It's one of the best designed Samsung phone ever. So the Samsung Galaxy S10 was the best Samsung phone at that time. So on number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Z45. Yes, a lot of people might say Z Fold 3 or Z Fold 4. Yes, we know that Z Fold 3 was the one that ushered in the fold phones, but the Z Fold 5 changed everything. It gave it a lighter hinge and a better multitasking ability. There is an improved app continuity, there is a better battery life, and it also supports S Pen as of that time. This make it one of the most favorable phone for a lot of smartphone users. And the third best Samsung phone ever is the Samsung Galaxy S3 that was released in 2012. Some people will say, why S3? Because this phone was the breakthrough of all Android devices. I remember that time Samsung said they sold over 70 million units of this device. So this device was that device that introduced the S voice, the this thing that we are using and the Gemini that we are using now started from the S voice. It also have smart stay and it also have a sleek and pebble inspired design. That is the phone that moved a lot of people from other telephone companies to Samsung devices because it changes the game. So on number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. That was in 2018. Why this one stand out as most beloved Note model is because one, it supports the S Pen. It's the one that comes with the first big battery, 4000 milliamp hours of battery, and the storage, you can also expand the storage. Okay, the performance is great and the productivity features, everything about this phone was just class. And even the design, a lot of people love the design of this phone. So that's my number 2nd on the list. Then on number 1 is this current Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It was on this S21 Ultra that we have S22, S23, S24 and this current S25. This is the first X series that supports S Pen. Others we are not supporting S Pen, and it now comes with a very huge camera, and it also have a dual telephoto lens, and it also have a gorgeous 6.8 dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It was the killer of the X series, so a lot of people like it. Okay, the camera, display, the quality, and this new standard, everything about this phone. In short, if you are looking at S25 today, just know that it's been inspired by the S21 Ultra. So that is my top 5 best phone of Samsung. Yeah, we know we have other phones like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is also good. That was produced in 2020. The Samsung X6 Edge, also a very nice phone, and the Flip 3 that I mentioned. But those other phones I mentioned before are the top best phone for me. So I don't know for you, if there's a phone that you think is better in all this one that I've listed, please drop it on the comment section. Peace out.